So task 2 is how to set up nominal ledger accounts in Sage 50. How to set up and how to edit nominal ledger accounts in Sage 50 accounts. So what you need to do, you need to go to nominal codes. Here you can change the layout to list. And you'll go to new at the top. And you can type the actual nominal codes that you've been provided with. So where it says NC, just type 3010, click on it. You already have the specific account, but you really have to type as it is indicated in the task. This is very important for exam purposes. So the name here indicates that introduce starts with a capital letter. So we want to change this with a lowercase. Okay. And that's the only thing that you have to do in order to edit. So you click Save, and you carry on with the list. 3050, it says drawings, but in our task is personal drawings. So we just need to add personal. And save. Then 4000. The default for 4000 is sales type A. We don't want that. We need to overwrite that and actually type sales worksite tools and then save to confirm the changes. And again, we're going to carry on with all the other accounts. So 4001 is not sales type B, is actually sales gardening tools, and then save. 4002 is not sales type C, but it is sales paint and decorative, paint and decorative. And then click Save. Again, 4003. So 4003 is actually a new account. It's not something that we are editing the name. It's an actual new account in Sage. It's the same process. We type the digits in the nominal code box, and then the name, we're going to utilize what the specific task is giving us. So sales miscellaneous, and then save to confirm changes. Now we're going to move to the other ones. So up to now, we've done capital introduce, personal drawings, which are capital accounts, and then all the codes starting with 4 are revenue accounts. Now we're starting with the cost from 5,000 onwards. So 5,000s, materials, purchases. 5,000 was already there, so we just had to edit the name, then save. 5001. 5001 in Sage is carriage by default. We're going to change the name with travel expenses. Ensure that you type as you see in the task. And then save. And then 6202, it's already there, but it's called gifts and samples. We don't want that. We want direct advertising, and then save. And then 7100, it's called rent. We really don't have to do anything because it is exactly what the task is telling us. So we just click save. And then the last one, 7550, telephone and fax. We are going to leave telephone and just replace that other elements with expenses. And then save to confirm changes. So this is very simple, how you're going to create or edit a nominal ledger account in Sage 50. So nominal accounts, new, and then you either change the name or create a new one. Because we have finished to create or editing all the nominal ledger accounts indicated in the task, we can just close this window and we can double check that our changes actually have been confirmed. So for instance, if we look down, we're going to look for instance, 3010. Let's look for capital introduced. Yes, introduced starts with a lowercase rather than an uppercase. Let's have a look. 3050 is personal drawings, as we've changed that. 4000, Salesforce site tools, and etc. So you can clearly see that you have made your changes. And in case you have forgotten, you can just select the specific account that you want to edit. You go back to, you can actually go to edit here and make your changes and click save to confirm. So this is how you create or edit a nominal ledger account in Sage 50. And we have completed task 2.